CQB Russian, and I'm doing a review of the XS110-S Black from LaserLed. It comes with a 400 lumen flashlight and a strobe, IRA laser, and a navigation light. It comes in a nice case. It comes with the instructions. It comes with the battery charger. This is the charger for the batteries. And it comes with the batteries too. It comes with two batteries, two rechargeable batteries. It comes with the Allen wrench. It also comes with an adapter that goes into the, you put them in your gun. It's hand tight. You see the Allen bolt in there. Then you grab the Allen key that came with the kit. Okay, so we're gonna start with the unit itself. So it has screws in here, and in here I already take these ones already, so you guys can see. You just take the screws out, press this out, and that's where the batteries will go. On the other side it has the same compartment. That's so you can carry spare batteries. So you got a compartment there for the spare batteries. You're supposed to charge the batteries before you put them in, so to be sure they're 100% charged. Put the cover back under, and then you put the screws. Put your batteries in. You're ready to go. This is your switch panel. This is your walk pad light. This is the laser. If you double press it fast, it will stay on. This is your flashlight.
Jackers. Go.
You double press it fast and it will do the strobe.
Jackers.
I've been using it for a while. Really like it. Hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching.
Jackers. 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 Jackers.
Let me talk to him. talk to him. Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him.